Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Payoneer to another bank account. Now, using Payoneer, especially if you are a new, can be kind of confusing and you might be wondering how do you send money from your Payoneer account to another bank account. This case will be following a step or a guide directly from Payoneer itself. So first thing we need to do is we need to access our Payoneer account via the website or the app itself. You can get their app via App Store or the Google Play Store. Now it's going to give you the methods here on what you need to do. So first you need to identify which country you want to send to, and you also need to add your details as well as the recipient's information. Now in this case, before you actually proceed with the payment of actually sending money, Payoneer will also ask for identification like proof of ID and whatnot, since you will be sending abroad or if you are using your bank account. Now also once you have done that, I provide all the details is going to give you or direct you to the payment section. You just need to proceed with it. What we need to do is we need to go ahead and access Payoneer here. From here at the left panel here, let's go and click on pay here. From here, go to the pay to recipient's bank account. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now this will redirect us to this page here, which in this case you need to add the recipient's bank account. Now if you haven't added your banking details yet, this is where you will be able to see it. So in this case you need to first add your banking details before you will be able to add your recipient's bank details. Go and click on add bank details for our recipient, and from here you need to click on add bank account. And also if you want to add your bank account, go to your account section and just click on add bank account. This case, let's go to recipients, click on add bank. Here you just need to provide all the details here. For example, if this is a personal or a business, in what country it is. So you can go ahead and select your bank's currency. So I'm going to select this one, click on next. Just need to enter your recipient's detail here as well as the account details, and the confirm here your Payoneer account and then confirm your near account details. Now once you have done that, you just need to click on add bank account here and it will redirect you to the next page. In this case, select the bank that you just want to add it, and from there once you select your bank, you just need to proceed with the payment and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.